Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about an amazing iPhone 7 deal that Boost Mobile has currently going on. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is brought to you by bestmvno.com, so check them out to see more, guys. But I didn't know about this, a couple days ago, but like I said, I've just been kind of busy, so yeah, so let's go into it. So it says Boost Mobile offering pre-owned iPhone 7 for only $20 or $19.99, but I don't like saying all that stuff, so I'll just say $20. So it says, and this is actually the poster that they have. Actually, like I said, in the stores, we actually have these. I see these signs. So it says amazing iPhone 7, pre-owned $19.99. So $19.99, which is $20. The SRP or suggested retail price on this is still $300, which is accurate. I see some people selling the iPhone 7 now that the iPhone, brand new now, that the iPhone 11 came out for $350, so it's still cheaper on Boost Mobile. So as you can see, and of course some fine print down there, but we'll get to that in just a sec. So I want to give a shout out to our supporter Honey. So Honey is a free web browser Chrome extension. They'll find you the best promo codes on all popular websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save more. When you get that link and you click it and you subscribe for it, guys, when you make your first purchase, I will get a small commission, so that will help the channel a lot. So thank you, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you. We slide down a little bit, it'll say Boost Mobile has launched a new iPhone deal. Shoppers can get a pre-owned iPhone 7 for $19.99 or $20. That's still a really good deal even for a used phone, guys. If you're thinking about getting a pre-owned iPhone 7 like through eBay or stuff like that, they'll still sell them for like $200, like $150 to $200 to even $250, so yeah, that's kind of crazy for even a pre-owned iPhone 7. Like I said, you're roughly looking at least $150 to $200. Says Boost Mobile says the device carries a suggested retail price of $300, which is, like I said, about right. iPhone 7 pre-owned for $20, offer fine print. So here's the fine print for the $20 iPhone 7. So it says this offer is available in store only. So you can only get this in store. You have to go to your local Boost Mobile authorized dealer. You will not be able to find this online, and which, like I said, it's good. I like these kind of promotions just because a lot of Boost Mobile stores are popping up everywhere. At least every city I go, they have one at least. And it supports local businesses as well. So it says in store only through dealers in select markets. So same thing, not all markets will have that. So maybe I have this deal going on, which I do in my market, but maybe in your market you don't have one. It is not available online or through national retailers, so you cannot get it online or through like Walmart or anything like that. If you want to buy the iPhone 7 online from Boost Mobile, it will cost you $139.99, so $140 if you want to buy the iPhone 7 online through Boost Mobile. Which still, I think, a really good deal, honestly. It says the discounted in-store price will be available until October 3rd, 2019. So we still have about a week, a little bit over a week to get this promotion. It said it was launched yesterday, which, depending on when this article was made, the deal is only available to new customers that port in and activate on a plan price $50 or higher or an unlimited family plan. So there's some of the requirements right there, guys. You have to have the 50 unlimited plan or higher, family plan or anything higher. So the 50, the 60 or the $80 plan, I believe, depending on how much internet you need, and then family plans as well. You can do the 30 for 2 lines and all that stuff. Those porting in from either Sprint or a Sprint-related carrier are not eligible for this offer. So same thing with every port-in deal that every carrier has to offer. You cannot port in from that same basically carrier that uses the same tower. So no Virgin Mobile, no, of course, any Boost or anything Sprint related. There is a limit of 1 device purchase allowed per line. So if you have a 4-line family plan or something like that, you can only get one of these deals for $20 on the iPhone 7 pre-owned. So only one, not the whole family. Boost Mobile has not specified what storage variant the model being discounted is, but I would imagine it'd be the 32 gig model. And yes, it is going to be the 32 gig model variant of this phone, guys. So I don't think you're going to get like a 128 or 256 model or anything like that. It's going to be the 32 gig model. It says if you want to buy the device to use on another network, you'll first have to use it on Boost Mobile's network for 12 months before it can be unlocked for use anywhere elsewhere. That is true, guys. If, like I said, I made a previous video about Boost Mobile's unlocking policy. I will have that in the description below if you want to check that out, or on the end of this video. But yes, you can buy any phone from Boost Mobile, especially an iPhone, and after 12 months of using it, of active service and continuous service, after 12 months you can actually get it unlocked and used with any carrier without having to go with these, kind of like sketchy sites that may not even do this for you. It says phone plan eligible for discounted iPhone offer. You can choose from one of the 3 unlimited data plans, like I was saying, options that are available from Boost Mobile to get the iPhone discount. There are also 3 family plans that are eligible for the deal. All Boost Mobile limited plans include limited talk, text, and LTE data. Plan options are shown below, which only difference between the plan described. Customers can add an additional line for any plan to save $20 a month off the plan regular price for each line added. So here's the 50 unlimited gigs. This is the most popular one. It is unlimited data, guys, but it is resolution stays at 480p. You can squeeze 720 out of it. I've seen it, but definitely cannot do 1080. Music streamed up to 500 kilobits per second. Gaming streamed up to 2 megabits per second. 12 gigabytes of hotspot. 6-month subscription to Tidal music streaming, which is pretty cool. Boost Mobile unlimited plan, unlimited plus plan. So for the next tier up, it's for $60 or $10 more. It says HD video streams at up to the resolution of 1080p. Music streams at up to 1.5 megabits per second down, which is a lot better. Gaming streams at up to 8 megabits per second, 30 gigs of mobile hotspot, which is really crazy. Limited time offer includes free talk, text, data usage while traveling in Mexico with 8 gigs of data roaming, limited calling to Canada, unlimited international text messaging, 6 months of subscription to Tidal, and then the most expensive plan that they have is the 80 Boost Mobile Limited Plus plan. So this same thing, you get your video stream resolution at 1080p, music streams at 1.5 megabits per second, gaming streams at up to 8 megabits per second, and the big thing here, the difference is you get 20 more gigs of hotspot or 50 gigs of hotspot compared to the $60 plan, but it also costs all 20 extra dollars. Priority customer care, same thing, includes free talk and text and data usage from traveling in Mexico, unlimited calling to Canada, unlimited international text messaging, unlimited calling to landlines in over 70 countries, 200 talk international minutes to mobile phones, and subscription to Tidal Premium. Wow. Family plan unlimited data plan offers, of course, 4 lines for 100 of 1 gig hotspot each line, standard definition video streaming, 4 lines for 120 with 30 gigs of hotspot each line on HD video streaming, or 3 lines for 100 with 30 gigs of hotspot each and 8 SD video streaming. It says all unlimited plans come with a data prioritization policy. Customers who use more than 35 gigs of data in 1 month may have their data speeds temporarily slowed down during times of congestion. Taxes, fees are included in these prices shown, which is amazing. If you think about how much taxes alone, after a year costs you, that's a lot of savings, guys. So, like I said, if Boost Mobile is good in your area, it's definitely one to go with. And, for $20 a month, for $20 for this phone, guys, it's a steal. I said, yes, you do have to switch over, but if you already have a line with Boost Mobile and maybe you want to do a family plan and add a line, and you have maybe your brother, your sister, your mom, whoever, and she has some other carrier, let's say Metro or something, you can switch over and get an iPhone pre-owned for only $20, which, like I said, is really good. It's going to be the 32 gig variant. And like I said, this phone alone was over like $400, before the iPhone 7 came out, or the iPhone 11 came out. But the iPhone 7 is definitely one to go with. I had the iPhone 7 Plus, and I love that phone. I thought it was great. And, it's good you can actually get iOS 13 on it still, which is, it's pretty cool. But let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Is this something that you guys want to get and, invest in it? Like I said, it's definitely a good phone for the price. I would say, color wise, I'm pretty sure it's either going to be the space gray or the white. It doesn't really specify, but I don't think you're going to get like any other real color except for those colors. But yeah, like I said, iPhone 7 for $20 pre-owned. You might be thinking, oh, no, remember Boost Mobile does give you I believe it's 60 days for pre-owned devices, like warranty. It's either 60 or 90. I can't really remember right now, but they do give you some warranty just in case you get the phone and it's something's wrong with it. They will be able to give you another one through their warranty. You just ship it to Boost Mobile. They'll fix it for you and ship it back to you, But yeah, overall. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe.